Meaning of Gin Lane.
Gin Lane.
Gin Lane.
Gin Lane.
Gin Lane. Gin Lane is a famous print by English artist William Hogarth, created in 1751. The print depicts a street in London filled with destitute people who have fallen victim to the negative effects of gin consumption. Hogarth intended to raise awareness of the social and moral issues caused by excessive drinking, particularly of gin. The image shows the terrible consequences of addiction, including poverty, neglect, and violence. Gin Lane remains an iconic representation of the devastating impact of alcohol abuse on individuals and society.